Oh my god guys, you have to see this. One video has got 10.3k in views, so this is another quick update, 4.2k views. It's looking kind of promising. And the thought right now is that... What's up everyone, my name is Day, and today I'm diving headfirst into the world of dropshipping. But there's a twist. No paid ads, no influencers, just me, my product, and pure organic hustle. Over the next 30 days, I'll be testing if it's actually possible to make money by only spending money on the product and using social media to make it go viral. Can I actually make some bread? Stick around to find out, and be sure to stay till the end for the shocking results. So without further ado, be sure to subscribe and let's get on with the video. Alright guys, the first and most important step is finding the perfect product. And here's what we're looking for. Does the product solve a problem? Does it have a wow factor? And most importantly, does it spark emotion? These are the key ingredients for something that can go viral. And with that said, after hours of digging, I was able to find not one, but two products that I think can make me some money.
Tell them to bring me my money.
And the first product is this mini keychain camera, and I chose it because it solves the problem of capturing moments discreetly and conveniently, because you can just attach it to your other keychains. Plus it has a surprising wow factor with its high quality photos, and it also taps into the emotional desire to easily preserve memories on the go. And the second product that caught my eye was this LED visor that you can just put on your windshield, and I chose this product because it solves the common problem of bad car lighting, which is a pain in the ass for women who put makeup on in their cars. It also has the wow factor with its sleek design and built-in LED lights, which also have 3 different light settings. Plus it connects emotionally by giving the customer confidence of knowing that they can look their best even when they're on the go. And what these products have in common is that they're both for women.
Women.
And as you probably knew, women tend to buy more than men, which means that it's more likely for us to get sales on our store, which is also a factor that can play a big role on the results. So guys, with that out of the way, let me know in the comments what you think of these products and give your predictions on how much money do you think we'll be able to make with them. And in the meantime, before the products come in, to not waste any time, I'll set up the website and organise the back end, so when the products arrive, we can move on straight to the content creation. So I'll see you guys then. Alright, so it's already been 2 weeks and none of the products have arrived. And
it came! It finally came! The big one.
yes guys, one of the products finally came in, and it's the mini camera. So now it's time to make this little thing go viral. And you're probably asking, Day, how are you going to do that? Well, the answer is simple. Let me introduce you to the game plan. I'm going to record a few videos up front, post them, see what hits, and if something goes viral, then I'll double down on what works and hope for the best. But we also ran into some problems. After waiting for over 2 weeks, the second product ran into some shipping issues and didn't arrive. So that left me thinking whether I should just drop the product or try something different. And try something different I did. I decided to borrow some content, and after changing up a few things in the videos, upload them to my social medias. I mean, it's all about working with what you've got, right? And with that said, let's make some viral content, and I'll see you guys on the first day of posting. So right now it's day 1, I just posted the first few videos. I decided to post only on YouTube and Instagram just because I don't live in America and it would be really hard for me to target people there without using a SIM card or VPN. So I just decided not to waste my time and double down on YouTube and Instagram. And with that said, I'll probably update you guys on day 7 unless something interesting happens during this week. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. So I just got back from the gym and I'm coming to you guys with a quick update, because some of the views that I posted on shorts are starting to get some views, and yeah, it looks pretty promising. Unfortunately, we didn't manage to get any store sessions, but when you look here, you can see that we managed to gain a total of 15,000 views on YouTube in just 3 days. It looks promising, so yeah, let's just hope that by the end of the week we're able to get more store sessions in, and who knows, maybe we'll get a first sale. And talking about the videos that I posted on Instagram,
Oh my God, bro.
yeah.
Hell no. Fuck, man.
Alright, as you can see, it's officially been a week since we started the challenge, And as of now, we've managed to gain a total of 1,273 views on Instagram and a total of 32,700 views on YouTube, which in total gives us 33,973 views, which was only able to give us 5 new visitors on the store. Yeah, I know it's a bit disheartening for the amount of views that we were able to get, but we can't give up. It's only been the first week and we've got 3 more to go. So let's just hope that week 2 and the ongoing weeks are way better than the first one. And who knows, maybe we'll be able to finally get our first sale. And quickly, before the next updates, I would want to mention that I was able to secure an affiliate link with Shopify so that you guys can start your first store with a 3-day free trial, and after that you gain 1 whole month of Shopify for only $1 for the first month. And if you want to access the link, scroll down to the description and gain your $1 a month now. And with that said, I'll see you guys on the next updates. So yeah, we're halfway through the challenge and I'm not gonna lie,
It's not looking good, bruv.
because even though we've uploaded 14 videos this week, which translates to 2 videos per platform, we were only able to get 2,647 views on Instagram and 4,517 views on YouTube, which in total gives us, which is around 4 or even 5 times less views than in the last week. So yeah, the plan for the last 2 weeks is pretty simple. I need to lock in, try to upload more videos so that we can go viral, and pray that the algorithm blesses me with some views. So be sure to leave a like for the good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next update. And we've also got 1 add to cart. The last few days aren't looking too good. So now one of the shorts is at 11.4k. So right now we're going to take a look at the store and... Okay guys, it's been a long journey, and over the last 2 weeks I've grinded even harder than ever before, and the results are in. Did you manage to get any sales? Did we go viral? Before I let you guys know, be sure to subscribe for the journey and leave a like for that algorithm, and check out the $1 per month subscription on Shopify and start your dropshipping journey today. And with that said, now it's time for the final results. After these 4 weeks of pure hard work at trying my best to make this work, the results are in. After a total of 76,226 views across all platforms throughout the challenge, 87 store sessions and 4 add to carts, we managed to make a total of, drumroll please, not 1 but 2 sales on our store, which came to a total of this much euro, which in dollars is about $78.09, and after subtracting all the additional fees, we were left with a profit of $42.95. So yeah, even though we put well more in than we got back, I would still count this challenge as a success, because we were able to make not 1 but 2 sales on our store, which definitely shows that making money online and through organic dropshipping is definitely possible. And I was able to learn a few key lessons about organic dropshipping, which are that organic dropshipping is not a joke, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, creativity, and a bit of luck. But the biggest takeaway, you'll never know until you try.